morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today is a special day. I'm doing a collaboration with RoseM Creations. Rose and I live in the New England area, and so she reached out to me and asked if I would like to do a collaboration using fall colors here in New England. So of course I said yes. I always enjoy doing collaborations with other people. We decided let's just pick the fall colors that we see in our area and up here in New England. So, got some greens, some reds, some yellows, some oranges. So I will get you down on the canvas and we'll talk about the canvas size and we'll talk about the colors. I will be right back. All right, everyone. So what we got here is a 16 by 20 canvas. It is gallery wrapped. It's taped on the back. It's got push pins, nice and level. As you can see, I painted my edges because I'm finding when I tilt my paint off of the canvas, my edges tend to show a little white. Even though they got color over them, you're getting the whiteness from the canvas kind of peeking back through the color. Long story short, I've painted them. They're ready to go. So I think what I'm going to do, I was trying to decide if I want to do just a straight pour in the middle or if I want to do a wandering pour. Let's get to layering this colors in the cup and then we will make that decision. Let's talk about the colors. So today's colors, I am using Golden's Fluid Acrylics Quinacridone Crimson. And I've added a little of Artesa's Burnt Umber to this to get a nice burgundy, almost like a deep red color there. I am also using Amsterdam's Naples Yellow Light. I am using Creative Inspirations Deep Green, and this green I also added some of the burnt umber to make the green a little deeper. I am using Pebio's Iridescent Gold. I'm using Pebio's Iridescent Orange Yellow, and I added some burnt umber to that as well. So it is still orange and it's bright, but the umber did tone it down a little bit. And then I'm using some Azo Yellow. And again, I toned it down just a little bit with the burnt umber. All my paints are mixed with mix pour. You can order from Krista, and you can order that at krista8974@gmail.com. I'm also using a little bit of Flow Acrylic White from Artist Loft, mixed with some satin enamels, Deco Art Satin Enamels White. I'm going to use a little of that on my center, I think. I don't know. I have a bunch left over, so it's there if I decide to use it. All right, I'm just going to stick a little bit of gold in the bottom.
It's like we're running in circles.
All right, got a nice beautiful cup there.
Getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday.
All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a wandering ring pour. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna use my white, give myself a little bit of a path. All right, let's get started.
Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd.
All right, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use green as my flow extender.
Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
It's got a little muddy up that way, so I'm going to start by going this way first.
Are we part of this circus? Is it innate? Feels like a heavy burden, but I can't relate. Do our actions even matter?
So folks, what we have here is something I do not like. And so I am going to do another pour over top of it. Let's go again.
Flowers bloom. Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together. It will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
All right, let's give this another cup. And instead of doing a wandering, I am going to just do a ring pour.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on.
All right, guys, I'm loving the rings that I got here. The lines in this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me bring you in off of the tripod and let you see this. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we go. I've got the studio lights off so I can get a better angle here without getting a bunch of shadow. Bring you in here for the close-up. The lines in this really came out beautiful. Probably should have just went with a straight ring pour to begin with, but I wanted to try something a little different. I just didn't like the result that I got from the wandering ring pour. So, all right guys, so once this dries, I'll let you see the result. I will be right back. Okay guys, here is the dried result. It's still a little wet. I'm loving that I made that second cup and poured over top of what I did first. The wandering ring pour just didn't work out well. So I absolutely love this. You get the red of the changing of the leaves. You get the orange. There's a hint of green in there. I would have liked to have seen maybe a little bit more green, but hey, it's okay. I'm enjoying this piece a lot. I love the lines. This mix pour really creates beautiful, beautiful edges and lines. So I'm just in love with this. So as always, my paintings are available for purchase. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Leave me some comments below in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this piece. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.